PeaPod is a precision automated plant growth environment designed as both a low-maintenance food production system and a distributed research tool. PeaPod is able to generate any desired environment while collecting data on plant growth and improving yields over time. The growth environment features a frame and panel construction. Aluminum extrusion with engineering plastic brackets provide a lightweight and sturdy frame that includes channels for easy component mounting and repositioning. Mylar laminated foam panels provide a high degree of thermal insulation and reflect light internally, making PeaPod more efficient. Automation and control is made possible by PeaPod's control module installed on top of the frame and connected to water, power, and network inputs. This approach to construction makes assembly quick and easy, while also maximizing space efficiency during stowage. PeaPod can accommodate different plant sizes and dimensional constraints by removing panels and connecting frame units together. Larger configurations require additional control modules to extend the power of the primary unit. This extendable topology can be easily adapted to suit the plant selection or mission requirements. Powerful LED boards provide light, featuring power modulation for precise spectrum control ranging from near ultraviolet to near infrared. The boards are mounted to a subframe and are connected to the control module for power and control. Plants are grown in grow cups, supported by a subframe with aeroponic nozzles and a root zone container underneath. Both subframes are modular, enabling the user to add, remove, or reposition trays at will. This allows for different configurations to accommodate any plant. PeaPod uses aeroponics for increased water efficiency, supported crop variety, and control over parameters such as pH and plant nutrients. Reverse osmosis water is supplied to the control module where it is pressurized by a diaphragm pump and pressure tank. Its temperature is regulated by a thermoelectric water block. The water then flows through an injection manifold where nutrient and pH solutions are added. The injection manifold comprises a set of parallel Venturi siphons whose inlets connect to solution containers via servo-actuated valves. These valves then formulate precise nutrient dosages and pH levels. A final solenoid valve allows the control module to activate the nozzles on demand. The nozzles are mounted in the root zone and are connected to the supply line, which features quick disconnect for easy removal and repositioning. A second connector allows runoff water to be pumped back for recycling. The nozzles are robust and only require occasional cleaning to prevent calcification. Temperature is regulated by the control module through a thermoelectric heat pump, which can both heat and cool depending on the supplied polarity. Fans blow air through a heatsink adjoined to the heat pump to maintain a desired temperature inside. Humidity is increased by an ultrasonic mesh nebulizer housed in a small container with reverse osmosis water supplied to it. When the control module activates a driver circuit, the mesh oscillates, producing a fine vapor that is distributed throughout the environment by circulation fans. Humidity is decreased via silica gel beads held within a removable cartridge. Fans pass air through the cartridge and shutters on the openings allow for precise automated control. Silica gel is efficient, non-toxic, and changes color to indicate saturation. This is detected by the control module to notify the user to remove and recharge the cartridge via evaporation in a standard oven. Harvesting varies by crop type, but the yield can be stored in sealable containers and refrigerated for future consumption. The preparation method also varies by food type and preference, but all are common processes. Seeds can be collected by hand and stored to be planted later, creating a sustainable crop cycle. Alternatively, offshoots of certain plants can be harvested to clone the plant, skipping the germination step and accelerating growth. Planting seeds and offshoots both involve a neoprene puck, which is then inserted into the grow cups. PeaPod takes care of the rest. Throughout each growth cycle, PeaPod collects data on all environment parameters and plant metrics. This data is then used to train a machine learning surrogate model to represent the plant's phenology over time. This model aims to fit a function to the plant-environment relationship, which can then be optimized for yield, nutrient concentration, flavor, energy efficiency, water use, or any other metric. Therefore, plants grown in PeaPod will be more nutritious, taste better, and yield more as more iterations are performed. PeaPod provides unrivaled versatility and reliability to the food production systems for long-duration space missions.